Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about how to change the language setting on your Netflix app on the desktop. And before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. First, you click the Netflix app on your desktop, and then on the top right corner, you can find the three dots. And once you hit the three dots, you get to settings. And under settings, you click account details under account. Then you'll be taken to the browser, and here you can find all these sections, and you get to profile and parental controls. Once you get to profile and parental controls, you click the profile that you want to change your language to. Unfortunately, you can't change the language in all three at the same time. You'll have to do it manually. So you choose the profile that you want to change the language to, and then you click that profile. On the right corner, you find the drop down. Once you click the drop down, the second option, as you can see, is language. Once you get to that language part, on the right corner, you see change. You click change, and then you can select whichever language that you want. And once you select that language, you press save, and that's pretty much it. You get the language saved, and then you can go back to Netflix and it'll have the language of your desire. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching.